Hola a todos, ¿cómo estás? Muy bien. All right. So, hello everyone. How are you? My name is Amwer, and this is TGV Education. I'll be taking you through the Spanish class for beginners. And yeah, it's nice to see you. Okay. And also, I'll say, if you're not, if you have not looked at the previous sessions that we did, session one and session two. So yeah, I hope you can look at them. Then you can come to this session three, and it's not very big, but I'll say it's nice to see you. All right. So as we will do this as we continue, because speaking Spanish is very important. Okay. So we will try to introduce ourselves every session in Spanish. All right. And you can see like the translations on the screen. So yeah, so we try to introduce ourselves, all right? So yeah, I'll introduce myself otra vez in Spanish, and I'll be like, hola, me llamo Amuel, tengo 28 años, ¿ok? Soy de Kenia, ¿ok? Soy de la ciudad Mombasa, Kenia. Trabajo como un experto de sistema de integración, ¿ok? Disfruto correr, nadar y escuchar música. Mucho gusto, ¿ok? So I'm trying to speak a little bit slowly so that we can be on the same page, all right? So la ciudad, it means city, okay? The city. Yeah, so I think that is everything. Yes, and also I said we're in the ocho. So we'll be looking at numbers shortly so that we can get to know how to say about numbers and other things, all right? Yes. So yeah, let's go to the session. And I'll say, if you're enjoying this session, please, 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 don't forget to subscribe, share, like it, to friends and tell them to come in here. All right? Yes. Excellent. So yeah, so the numbers, so we have first 20 numbers and it's very easy. We have the pronunciations here. So I put them here for you guys so that you're able to, pronounce them. All right. So we have numeros. Numeros means numbers. All right. So I'll say them slowly. So we have uno, number one, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco, seis, siete, ocho, nueve, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay? Yes. So you can post this slide and try to pronounce the numbers and keep this. All right? Yes. And also, if you have any question about any particular number, please put it in the, comments section below. Or, yeah. So, and you can always ask. Yes. All right. We continue. Then we have 21 to 100, of course, and it's very easy. So we have 21. So for the first numbers, okay? So very easy. So we have, you just say 21, so which means 21, 22, 22, and you just put the other number, after that. So 26, 29. So you can see that. Then we have 30, so you can say 30. So this one is say 30 for 30. Then if I want to say 35, I'll say 30, 35, like 35, 35, depending on who is asking. So 35, 35, all right? So which means for those who speak Spanish, it's like saying Seracinina Hano, all right? It's like 35, 30 and 5. 35, 30 and 5. 35. Yes. All right. Then we go to 40. We have 40 for 50, 50 for 60, 60, 10 for 70, 70, 10 for 80, 80, for 90, 90, and 100, 100. All right. So you can do a little bit of practice and you can try to, the numbers in between. And also, I think now, if you are able, like you are asked to, like somebody asks you, ¿cuántos años tienes? How many years do you have? At least you are able to say, yo tengo, like, yo tengo 24 años, which means 24 years. All right. If somebody asks you, how many years do you have? You can say, yo tengo or tengo 18 años, 18 years old. All right. Very easy. We together? Excellent. Bueno. Yes. So now we have a few examples which we can use the numbers, all right? And we have the numbers. So yeah, so when you look at this one, so we have different examples of questions that can be used in numbers, and we focus on the number, specifically the numbers, right? Yes, so we have the first one, we have tengo 25 años. So which means I have 25 years, okay? Yeah, so I have 25 years, so I am 25 years. Then also we can say hay 30 personas en la clase, which means there are 30 people in the class. 30 means 30. Then also this one, the verb comprar, don't worry. Then session 5, we'll be looking at simple verbs that we use in every list out. So we get to see like comprar, which means buy, to buy stuff. Okay, or quiere, quiere, quiere. So which means like to want something, necessit, need, okay, necesitar, which means like need. We get to see these simple verbs and their conjugation with different tenses and this. So comprar is one of that, and the conjunct, this one, the compre, it's like a past tense, like a past perfecto, comprar, to buy, bought. So compré 5 manzanas en el mercado. So which means I bought 5 apples at the market, okay? Then the other one, son 72 páginas, okay? Which means there are 72 pages, okay? Páginas means pages and 70 means 70, okay? The other one, el restaurante está a 10 minutos de aquí, okay? So the restaurant is 10 minutes from here, okay? So, yeah, easy. And also the other one, from the word pagar, to pay. So, but it's already in the past perfect. So, pagué 80 euros por el libro, okay? I paid 80 euros for the book. Then the other one, quiero, to want something, okay? I want, first person, comprar, to buy. I think you now see this one. So, quiero comprar 12 flores, okay? I want to buy 12 flowers. Tu copamoya, we together, estamos juntos. Excelente, nice, okay. Then we will go now to caras. Yes, caras of objects, yes. So these are some of the most common colors that you come across. And the first color is rojo for red. We have azul or azure. So you may find like this. So azul for blue, amarillo or amarillo. So it depends with who is pronouncing. We have different accents, but for me I'll say amarillo because of the double R. Then we have verde for green. We have morado for purple, okay? Or some people can also say púrpura for purple, borrowed from English, so púrpura. Then we also have orange and naranja, okay? Naranja. Then we have pink, rosa, we have brown, marron, we have black, negro, okay? We have white, blanco, gray, gris, silver, plata, okay? Oro, gold, all right? And also I'll say that this, for most of the colors that end with an O or an A, remember that if we are talking about a feminine or masculine, they change, respectively. If it's masculine, they change to an O. If you are talking about feminine sounding, okay, they become like, you know, they become an R. For example, in this basic, we are talking about the red dress, okay? So dress is vestido, okay? Vestido. So when we are talking about vestido, we say el vestido rojo, okay? What if we talk about a shirt? A shirt is camisa, okay? So if we are talking about a shirt, we say la camisa roja, okay? We put an A. I think it makes sense, but I'll explain that more as we continue, all right? So for now, we look at a few examples that we have here, and so that they can give us at least, a little bit of understanding about the colors and stuff. We together? Nice, excellent. Gracias. Okay, so we did these ones, and we say el cielo es azul. What does that even mean? It means the sky is blue. Then also we can say me encanta la flor amarilla. Okay, I love yellow flower. Okay, mi coche es rojo. My car is red. Viste una camisa verde. So you wear a green shirt. Then also this one, la bandera es roja y blanca. Okay, the flag is red and white. Okay, so for the Kenyans, we can say la bandera de Kenya es blanca, okay, blanca, verde, roja y red, black, okay, green and white, okay, blanca, rojo, negra, okay, yeah, so most of the colors, so very easy. Then el sol brilla en el cielo anaranjado, okay, so yeah, so it is shining on the orange sky, okay. Anaranjado means like naranja, okay. Yes, so it's depending with the region, so it's also orange. And also we have el gato tienes ojos verdes, so the cat has green eyes. La noche está oscuro in gris, okay. The night is dark and gray. La manzana es verde, so the apple is green. Su pelo es marrón. Is or a air is brown. Okay, yes. So this marks the end of our session. I know it was a little bit short, but I'll say thank you, all right, for sticking with me. I hope you learned something, and in case of any question, don't hesitate. Feel free to write the questions down on the description, not the description, like the comment section, all right? And you can always ask them, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And also I'll say thank you for your time, and don't forget to subscribe and share, like with friends, all right? Yes, so see you in the next section, section 4, coming right up. Bye for now. Thank you.